So as a freshman, I don't know much about the Cayuga Health Center. I would like to learn more about it, especially since it's a viable part of, being an adult and learning more about your community and what's accessible to you. So I think it would definitely be a big help to learn more about it.
I think it's okay. I think it's a really good idea for people who especially have a lot of health problems who might need to go to a hospital or something like that often. I think that the transfer of paperwork can go more smoothly, and yeah.
It's going to provide a bunch of resources, just to students, and make it more accessible. The last time I went there, I thought that it was pretty accessible, and they were pretty open, and I didn't have no problems. They took me in, and I just went with the doctor or the person that was assisting me.
I really appreciate better care, and I really like the larger range of hours. Last semester I didn't really like it was a very limited access, so this semester I'm really happy that they have a longer span of time.
Yeah, no, it's definitely a better experience, and it's absolutely great that Cayuga is now working with the college. It will lead to a better medical experience, because I had prior experience with Hammond, and they just didn't take people's health seriously. They were always extremely rude, and just extremely dismissive, and I couldn't get the proper care that I needed at the time, which happened to be very serious in terms of my lungs. I'm a musician, and I need my lungs, I need that. So I had to go far away, not as accessible, so that's what happened.
My main issue with the Hammond Health Center had been the specific hours. I couldn't get in for the first week, but with partnering with the Cayuga Health Center pharmacy thing, it was a pretty easy process. I just had to sign a paper, and pretty much they got my prescriptions in. I could call my regular prescriber, and they would just send it over here. So I think it's a fairly good partnership. It works across state lines, which is nice. That was a concern for me.
Well, I think the Cayuga Health Center makes it really available for everybody to get help. And while doing that, the hours are great, and it makes it more generalized and give more professional help for the students here. And it's just really nice in general. And I've had to use it once already, and it was easy to get in and out and get the help that I needed.